Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Economics graphs can be tricky, but we can solve this shift in the long-run Phillips curve together. Let's find out what moves this vertical line. The long-run Phillips curve represents the natural rate of unemployment in an economy. When we see this vertical line shift to the left, it means the natural rate is actually decreasing. We need a factor that encourages people to find jobs faster or stay employed longer. Changes in government spending or interest rates usually only affect the short-run demand, not this line. Reducing unemployment insurance benefits motivates workers to accept jobs faster. This structural change lowers the natural rate, making option D the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given data to avoid a rush.